If I give sudo -i, automatically it won't ask for sudo next time. That is the command. Okay, and sudo -i password. I'm using, this is a Ubuntu. How you can able to confirm cat etc lsb release. If you give this command, it will give the operating system with version name Ubuntu 16.04. Okay, now you can use Ubuntu, right? Which repository we can use? apt get install MySQL Server 5.7. I will tell you that. See, 16.04 is supported for 5.7. 14 version, we have 14 version that is supported for 5.5. like that we have. Directly download from the repositories. You can see here. It is downloading from which repositories? All client utilities, everything. This one is server, what are related common utilities will be downloaded. It's downloading from the India archive.ubuntu.com. From there it is downloading. Say everything it has been, what are the file sizes also it is mentioning. Client and all those things, server, something like that. Okay, it's asking for password. It's installed. MySQL Server 5.7 has been installing. Okay, it's done. Installation is done. How to connect to this? MySQL -u root p password. Password I have given. I given wrong. I think it's wrong password. Again, MySQL 123. Say this. It is connected. If you want to see some databases, show databases. How many databases are there? Which user is connected? Select user. Okay. Which version? Select version. Like this, you can see that. We have so many things. We need to do that. Next class, we'll see what is the use of these databases. Once if you install MySQL Server, 4 databases will be creating by default. That is called information schema, MySQL Server, sorry, MySQL information underscore schema, MySQL database, performance underscore schema, sys database. These 4 databases has been created once you install by default. Okay, that is very important to know about that. What is these things? Tomorrow we'll see that. Okay, any questions?